Hello friends and welcome to CS Passionate. In this video we are going to learn about callable statement with in and out parameterized procedure in MySQL. So let's start with, in this table EMPL I have this four different number of data, different rows, and here we have three managers and one clerk. So if I want to get the number of managers in this table, I want to count the how many managers are there, then let me make a procedure for that. So here I'm going to create a new procedure. I can create a new procedure from here by clicking on the new in the procedure tab, and you can write down your parameters, procedure name and definition, but I generally prefer this way by using SQL. So let me zoom in, and here I'm going to use the delimiter. You can use any delimiter. I have this delimiter $, and I'm going to create a procedure. So create or replace procedure to replace procedure. Name of the procedure is EMP and out, and I'm going to give name of this procedure is something like in out. I have this parameter as in parameter as well as out parameter. So I use this designation as in and out, and I use one out parameter, that is count, CNT count, and I pass integer, and for designation I use varchar data type. Here I can assign the size of my parameter as well. So I start at the begin, and I pass the query select. What I want to do is I want to count IDs to CNT, because after the counting of my IDs, I want to store this IDs into CNT out parameter from my table EMPL, where my in and out parameter is when my designation. So here I have this EMP underscore desig, EMP underscore desig equals to designation that I am going to pass over here. That is my parameter. And now I end this procedure. Let me click on the go, and my procedure has been successfully created. So my procedure has created successfully, and now let us start with the Java class. Here I have this demo INOUT class, and I import Java.sql package over here. In this class I define a string variable URL. My URL is something like JDBC MySQL localhost, port number is 3306, and employee database name. Username for the database is root. My password is null, empty. It is not null, but it is empty. So, and I define a object of connection, driver manager get connection. I pass username, URL and password over here in connection. Let us define an object of callable statement CLS not prepare call. I am preparing my call with, here I call this procedure. The name of my procedure is in EMP underscore in underscore out. I have two parameters, so I set the two question mark. And now one is, first parameter is in out parameter, and second question mark is only out parameter. For first parameter I need to give or set string for first indexed question mark, and I need to define manager. I want to count the manager. Now for second, I have to use register out parameter, second question mark, and here I need to give the type. Which type of this parameter is, for example, integer. Okay, now let me print this system out and ln, and what should I do over here? One more thing is execute query. It shows and it returns some result. So I just need to print the value of get string first indexed, and first index parameter, and this is the second indexed parameter. I print this both. Now let me close this, close, close, and save this file. Try to run this file, and so that we can get, does it print that number of, okay, there is some mistakes. ID in the field list, unknown column ID. From there we get this problem, that is small. Let me do some search over here. Where is the ID? Here I pass ID. Yeah, here we have passed this ID, and we have no ID, so we have to use this emp underscore ID, right? Again, click on go. Okay, it shows some problem. Count emp underscore ID. Okay, here we have some problem. Okay, I think there is a problem with let me click on the go again, and my procedure has been successfully replaced. Now let us run this file again, and yeah, here we can find this manager. 3 managers are there. It counts a number of managers over here. Okay, and the same thing I'm going to perform. I'm going to execute my procedure in my RDBMS package, and over here even we can find the same value for manager. So let me click on the procedure. Here I have this emp INOUT procedure and execute this procedure. Okay, pass the designation value manager, click on the go. It should have to return 3. So there are 3 managers in my table. Let us find and explore the table. How many managers? 1, 2 and 3. So that's it for the in and out parameterized procedure. Also check out my previous videos to get different types of procedures. Please check. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like, share and subscribe. Have a great day ahead.